Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. First, log into your Lovable account. Beside your project name, click on the drop-down arrow. From there, select Project Settings. Once you're inside, go to the Domains tab. Here, you'll see the option to add an existing domain, so click on Connect. Next, head over to your GoDaddy account. Under the Domain section, click on the domain you want to connect. Copy that domain name. Now, go back to Lovable AI and click Continue. Paste your GoDaddy domain into the field, then click Continue again. Lovable will now analyze your domain. Once that's done, you'll be asked to log in to your domain provider, which in this case is GoDaddy. After logging in, click Continue to confirm on updating your DNS records. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to Lovable AI. Just keep in mind that DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. So if it doesn't break right away, give it a little time. And that's basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.